Good morning, guys. So what we're going to do today, we're going to make some shoes. So if you guys see these shoes, and you guys can just randomly place your stones kind of where you want. There's not like a particular order. So you just take your stones and you get your stones prepared and you lay them out and you get your jewelry. And you could do the same format if you want to. But when I do my shoes, I don't necessarily look for the same format. I just have it randomly, but kind of with the same color of stones. So I'm just spreading my stones out and laying them face down and using a jewelry so I can be able to pick it up. So I got two different glues. I got this and I got fabric tack. So this take a little longer to dry than E6000. So what I'm going to do is put it on the shoe and kind of let it sit a little bit before I start putting the stones in there, because what'll wind up happening, the stones will slide. So if you don't want your stones to slide, you kind of put it on there. And then, like I said, I would just randomly pick up stones and put them on the shoe. Just randomly. It's not a specific order that I'll put it in. And just drop it. If I want to drop it right there. And then this glue is not as sticky as E6000, guys. So this will take a little bit to settle. So if you guys see, it's not no random. It's not, I'm not making a uniform, but I'm just using some of the same stones I used on the other shoe. And just dropping it. Putting it on there. And just do it what looks right to you guys. Some of you guys make your shoes whatever you guys like. That's how you make your shoes. You like more pearls, then put more pearls on it. So that's kind of how I come up with the layout of my shoes. Kind of like this. There's no particular order that I'm going in, if you guys see. I'm just finding what's pretty for me and just putting it on there. And the bigger stones you can pick up with your hand and just place them on there. And if you use the glue, any of this glue I use, guys, I kind of let it sit overnight. I won't ever just make these shoes, and even with E6000, and do it later. And like the hot glue gun, what I've known, when I use that, the stones fall off later. So I try not to use that to glue on to my shoes, because you'll be walking around and all of your little stones will fall off your shoes. You look down on the floor and all your little decorations will be just popping off. So I try not to use that. So guys, we're just going to keep going with the glue. And whatever glue you desire. E6000, a lot of people like that better because the stones definitely don't move. But when I open up my E6000, I like to use that for like my clothing and my jackets and stuff. Because once you open that up, for some reason, it always go bad. So that's why I'm just using this. Because you can put a top back on it. And this is pretty good. It lasts. So I'm just spreading out the glue throughout the shoe and just placing. So if you guys want to make reference to that shoe, you look at that shoe and kind of see it's got a lot more pearls. So I got to pull out more of the pearls and put them on there. So I got to get my bag of pearls. But if you guys see, just keep placing them. Let me find some more pearls. So you guys just keep placing them to the way that you like them. Okay, so I got a little bit more pearls. That one went the other way. Turn around. So if you guys see, I'm not following any particular uniform. I'm just placing what I like, what I think that looks good. That's all that matters when you're making your shoes, what you like. So I'll take this one off. I think I want a black. Give it a little color, a little black. I put this one over here. Hope you guys see. So just keep doing your shoes until you feel the desire that you like, and you'll be set. And then you let them dry 24 hours, and you can wear them then. So I thought that the stones just spiced these shoes up, gave it a little bit more character. They was already pretty, but I just wanted a little bit of character with them. So that's why I decided to glue the stones on. You see how I feel that gave it definitely more character. And I'm only doing it on the bottom. I'm not doing it over the top. I'm going to leave that as is. Guys, see, meet back around. And it's a very easy process, guys. Just put them where you desire your stones to be. So this would be how you guys would do your stones. So I'm going to keep on going around and around until it's all fulfilled, guys. Okay, guys, so as you can see, when you guys do your shoes, it don't have to be no certain way that you will put your stones. And then when I do these multicolored stone shoes like this, guys, this one is drying. That's why you saw them glue things. Like, I can wear this, I would say, with any color outfit or whatever. You can kind of get away with it because the colors is forgiving. So, guys, you guys go ahead and make you guys some bling bling shoes and let them dry 24 hours and they will be ready to go, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye.